only God will judge.
Judgment day is coming. Judgment day is coming. All men shall stand before the throne of God. I give account of.
Now, ask Adiesa Kibo. He was nominated to be a minister of the Federal Republic. Somebody petitioned him that he cannot be a minister. Ask him, the man and the wife, who killed them that night. Rivers people will forget easily. Rivers people will abandon. A man and a wife petitioned that you are not supposed to be a minister. They were killed that night. A man and a wife. Everybody kept quiet. This is the state. People can come and talk. I don't want to talk about living. We're not at the same level. I graduated from the University of Port Harcourt. As at the time I was in university, Lee had not written wikelawmakers.
Neko.
He wrote Neko to go to Rivers State University in the evening program. We're not at the same level. I have finished my University of Science for law, came out from law school before he went, and that's one of the reasons why, as a minister, I criticized this continuous education. Hey, I mean, like a person, somebody who goes to school in the morning to delivery cannot pass. It's one who goes Saturday and Sunday that will pass. And you see them, fellow, Chartered Institute of this and that. I wrote local content law. Hey, look at. Because opportunity of politics allowed anybody can say anything. Ask him. He was paid $15 million US of the oil block. What is the effect? Ask him. This is Senator Oshunle, you are here. Ask him. People just talk anyhow. Sir, I want to tell all of you. In 2007, when Amechi came on board, Secondus came to work with us. Secondus never saw Odili again. Secondus never saw Dr. Peter Odili. Is correct? I said in 2007, in October, when we defeated them in Supreme Court, Secondus joined us. He never saw Odili eye again. Is correct? Ask him whether he saw Dr. Peter Odili again. Never. When Omeha illegally was sworn in May 2007, illegally. He started to do local government election to form his own structure. He never saw Odili again. Yes, it's correct. You see, people don't say the truth. Ask the one they revered as our leader now, Why was it that you and Omega never saw eye to eye again? They said Omega was forming his own structure for local government election. When Secondus came to us, he was one who testified in the court that chairman of the party, he never assigned anybody to be council chairman. Is correct? And that was how the court nullified that local government election. Omega never went to see Odili one day. I challenge anybody. When you go to second, you say, no, I'm not going to the emir of my tama. I didn't know what was called emir of my tama. It was 2 seconds I had who is called emir of my tama. Yes, it's correct. It's correct. Now, you see, people must know it's not on sentiment. It's not on sentiment. Secondus never saw the eye. Omega never. Limeba never. None of them ever went to see Odili in Matama. I said this with all amount of authority. When I wanted to run as governor, and I want to differentiate between support and making you governor. You know, if you didn't pass well, you didn't pass well. Everybody here supports somebody to be governor. That's correct. Not that you made the person governor. Do you understand what I mean? I became chairman of council in 1999. Nobody. Chief Awuse was running for governor. Odili was running for governor. I was never in anybody's camp.